You might start to notice that your homegrown garlic sends up a flower spike around May or June. And some people worry about this because they think that their garlic is flowering before it is ready to harvest. But it is a completely normal thing for hardneck garlic to do. It is in fact a bonus crop, and it's one of the reasons that I prefer to grow hardneck varieties of garlic. As soon as you see these flowers, snap them off a little way down the stem so that the plant continues to put all of its last burst of energy into forming a bigger bulb rather than forming a flower. And then you can take your harvest off to the kitchen and use them either fresh in stir fries or on salads, or you can chop them up and use them anywhere that you would normally use garlic. They are also amazing pickled or fermented and stored for use in the winter and early spring when other crops are less abundant. We are still working through a massive jar that I pickled in apple cider vinegar last year. And when we finish that jar, the vinegar that it is pickled in will make an amazing pre-made salad dressing that we can use throughout the whole of this summer. These delicious garlic scapes come at just the right time when winter leeks are starting to go past their best in May, and any stored onions and garlic that was harvested last summer can be starting to go spongy and past their best. So these garlic scapes are such a valuable crop to fill the gap until your fresh garlic is ready to harvest again around the end of June. And if you would like to see more about how we grow, harvest and store our garlic, then you can check out this video here or this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace and plants.